So I have the Samsung Galaxy A03s, and today I'll be showing you how to add your Google account to the phone. Now you might have added your Google account when setting up the phone. If you didn't, then here's how to add one. So simply go to settings. On the settings page, scroll down to accounts and backup. Tap on that and then go to manage accounts and then tap on add account and then select Google. And then now you can sign in with your Google account. So first, enter your email address and your password and then hit on next. Of course, you might be required to verify your identity. Once you do that, you can now go ahead and tap on agree and it's going to set up your Google account. You should see the Google services stuff, so tap on accept and that's it. You can now see my Google account has been added to this Galaxy A03s. Now I can use that Google account in the Google App Store, in the Play Store. I can use it on the YouTube app. I can use it on any Google service on this phone. Thanks for watching. Leave your comment and questions down below and good luck.